Hello friends, I welcome you to our channel Affairs 247X. Now we'll be discussing past 2 days current affairs, all the important current affairs which has chances to come in your examination. So let's start without wasting any further time. So today is 16th June 2021. So we'll be discussing all the current affairs of 15th and 16th June combined, all the important which will be the part of your examination. Let's start without wasting any further time. So yes, question number one, when blood donor day takes place every year, यानी कि ब्लड डोनर डे किस दिन ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है? ये ऑप्शंस आर 15th June, second is 13th June, then C 12th June and D 14th June. So your correct answer is 14th June. Moving towards next question, which state government one-time COVID relief of 5,000 for financially weak artists? Your options are Rajasthan government, second Madhya Pradesh government, Maharashtra government and Tamil Nadu government. So your answer is Rajasthan government. Now let's look at some static facts of Rajasthan. Rajasthan being a state, its capital is Jaipur, largest city is Jaipur, and CM Chief Minister of the state is Ashok Gehlot, and Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Now moving towards next question. Question number 3. Recently, biotechnology company MyLab appoints whom as its brand ambassador? अभी हाल ही में MyLab ने किसे अपना ब्रांड एम्बेसडर घोषित किया है? Your options are Salman Khan, Hrithik Roshan, Amir Khan, and Akshay Kumar. So all your favorite Akshay Kumar being appointed as ambassador of MyLab, and you must be knowing Chingari, Thumbs Up, Realme, Relaxo, Dixie Scott, Wheel, Britannia, Tiger Biscuit, Imami, Suzuki, मोटरसाइकिल्स, इन सभी के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर सलमान खान है. ओके, ये आपको याद रखना है क्योंकि आपके एग्जामिनेशन में जो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर का जो टॉपिक होता है इसके क्वेश्चंस आने की चांसेस बहुत होते हैं. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. With whom Jharkhand State Education Department collaborated to broadcast online classes for students of class 1 to 12? Your options are Doordarshan, India TV, Zee TV, and Jio TV. So your correct option is Doordarshan. So हाल ही में झारखंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट ने दूरदर्शन के साथ कोलैबोरेशन किया है कि वो उनके जो क्लासेस है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए फ्रॉम क्लास 1 to 12 उसे ऑनलाइन ब्रॉडकास्ट करेंगे. दिस इज अ गुड इनिशिएटिव. लेट्स हैव अ क्लोज लुक इन नियर फ्यूचर. नाउ मूविंग टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द ई निर्माण पोर्टल the e-Nirman portal and its mobile application launched by which state chief minister? So your options are Maharashtra Uddhav Thackeray, B is Gujarat Vijay Rupani, option C Shivraj Singh Chauhan from Madhya Pradesh, and last one Yogi Adityanath from Uttar Pradesh. Your correct answer is Vijay Rupani from Gujarat, right? So recently Vijay Rupani, Chief Minister of Gujarat, has launched e-Nirman portal and its mobile application in Gujarat itself. So, if we look at some static facts, Gujarat being the state, इसका capital गांधीनगर है and largest city अहमदाबाद है. And Chief Minister of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. And if we talk about governor, it's governor. Governor is Acharya Devrat. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Next question, question number 6. Which bank partners with Oracle and Infosys for cloud-based customer relation management system? So your options are ICICI Bank, then HDFC Bank, then SBI Bank, then Federal Bank. So your correct option is Federal Bank. Okay, now moving towards some static facts. Headquarter of HDFC is in Mumbai. Headquarter of ICICI is in Vadodara, and for SBI its headquarter is Mumbai, and Federal Bank its headquarter is in Alua. Now next question, question number 7. Which bank launches customer COVID relief Ghar Ghar Ration program? Your options are IDFC First Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and SBI Bank. So your correct option is IDFC First Bank. Now moving towards next question, question number 8. Who has been appointed as UNCTAD Secretary General? Your options are R.S. Sodhi, then Sanjay Yadav. Option number 6 is Rebecca Ginspan, and your correct answer is option number C. Question number 9. When International Albinism Awareness Day is observed? इंटरनेशनल अल्बिनिज्म अवेयरनेस डे कब ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है? ऑप्शंस आर 13th जून, देन 12th जून, देन 14th जून एंड देन 15th जून. योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 13th जून. 13th जून को इंटरनेशनल अल्बिनिज्म अवेयरनेस डे ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th. विच सिटी टॉप्ड ग्लोबल लिवेबिलिटी इंडेक्स 2021? जो इंडेक्सेस है ना, it will be a very important part of your examination, right? So you must be aware like indexes being asked in every examination frequently, so you should be knowing this indexes too. Please be attentive and please note down these indexes in your notebook. So your question is, which city topped global livability index 2021? So options are Dhaka, then Auckland, then Karachi, and then Osaka. Your correct option is Auckland. Auckland city has been topped Global Livability Index 2021. Now question number 11. Who has conferred with Asia Pacific Productivity Champion Award 2021? किसे एशिया पैसिफिक प्रोडक्टिविटी चैंपियन अवार्ड 2021 का दिया गया है? योर ऑप्शंस आर एस सोदी, देन रेबिका जिन्सपैन, देन ऑप्शन सी संजय यादव, then Nagraj Adiga. So the correct option is option number A, that is R.S. Sodhi. Now question number 12. Who has been appointed as Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court recently? So your options are Sanjay Yadav, R.S. Sodhi, Nagraj Adiga, and Sunita Narayan. Your correct option is Sanjay Yadav. संजय यादव को भी हाल ही में अपॉइंट किया गया है चीफ जस्टिस कहाँ का? इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट का. Now question number 13th. Shishu Seva Scheme. Note down this scheme. Shishu Seva Scheme was launched by which state government? So Shishu Seva Scheme किस state government द्वारा launch किया गया है? Your options are Meghalaya, then Uttar Pradesh, then Sikkim, and then Assam. And correct option is Assam. If you look at some static facts, Assam being the state, its capital is Dispur. Largest city in Assam is Guwahati, and chief minister is Himant Biswa Sarma, and governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Now, question number 14. Which firm acquires Payback India? हाल ही में ये लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ है जहाँ पे बताया गया है कि एक फर्म ने Payback India को एक्वायर किया है, एंड उस फर्म का नाम क्या है? ऑप्शन फर्स्ट इज फोन पे, देन पेटीएम, देन भारत पे, एंड देन जी पे. योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज भारत पे. अभी हाल ही में फोन पे ने भी भारत पे के ऊपर एक केस दर्ज किया था जहाँ पे उनके जो टर्म है पे का उनका क्लैश हो रहा था. फोन पे का कहना यह था कि भारत पे ने उनका जो फोन पे का जो ये पे वाला सेक्शन है ये कॉपी किया है, राइट? तो इसके लिए वो कोर्ट पे उनका जो क्लॉज ये जो है केस चल रहा था. पर एक्चुअली लास्ट डे इटसेल्फ फोन पे हैज़ उन्होंने ये जो केस था वो रिन्यू मतलब उन्होंने बैक कर लिया है, बैकआउट किया है. तो ये अभी सिर्फ आपको ये याद रखना है कि भारत पे जो फर्म है इन्होंने एक्वायर किया है पे बैक इंडिया. जो टेक्निकलिटीज होती है they will not ask you, they will simply ask which are the firms and which firm acquired which other firm. This is what you have to remember. Now moving towards your last question, that is question number 15. When World Day Against Child Labor is observed? Option A is 12th June, then 13th June, and then 14th June and 15th June. So your correct option is option number A, that is 12th June. Okay. Now we'll revise it as fast as possible. Your first question is when Blood Donor Days takes place, that is 14th June, which state government one-time COVID relief 5,000 for financially weak artists? Rajasthan government. Question number third. Recently, biotechnology company MyLab appoints whom as a brand ambassador? Answer is Akshay Kumar. हाल ही में झारखंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने किस डिपार्टमेंट से कोलैब किया है कि दे विल ब्रॉडकास्ट ऑनलाइन क्लासेस फॉर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 1 to 12? आंसर है दूरदर्शन. The e-Niman portal and its mobile application launched by which state chief minister? And option is Gujarat, Vijay Rupani. Which bank partners with Oracle and Infosys for cloud-based customer relationship management system? Answer is Federal Bank. Which bank launches customer COVID relief Ghar Ghar Ration program? Answer is IDFC First Bank. Who has been appointed as UNCTAD Secretary General? Answer is Rebecca Ginspan. Question number 9th. When International Albinism Awareness Day is observed? Your answer is 13th June. And which city topped Global Livability Index 2021? Your answer is Auckland. And who was conferred with Asia Pacific Productivity Champion Award 2021? Answer is Aris Sodhi. And who has been appointed as Chief Justice of High Court recently? Answer is Sanjay Yadav. Shishu Seva scheme was launched by which state government? Answer is Assam. Which firm acquires Payback India? Answer is Bharat Pay. And last question, when World Day Against Child Labor is observed? And that is 12th June. These are your 15 questions of past 2 days. And now there's a homework which I'll be giving you. Just answer this question and comment your answers in the comment box. Which state government launched DBT mobile application for fund transfer to beneficiaries? So what's the answer? Let me know and do comment in the comment your answers in the comment box. Okay. So stay tuned, stay updated. We'll be meeting soon with the next current affairs, and do subscribe our channel and also go through our Instagram and type this channel. Having you will be aware of the channel Awake to 47x. Go through it, subscribe it, and press the bell icon because you will be getting all the latest updates soon. Till that, stay tuned, stay focused. Okay, bye.